Hello, dance families. I hope you're having a good week so far, and I hope everything went smoothly last weekend. This is for the families who missed the Sugar Plum Fairy and private lesson meeting a few weeks back, just to make sure we're all on the same page. So we're going to jump right in. So we're going to start with the private lessons. The private lessons will begin on October 27th. That is the first Saturday that I am back in town. And I'm accepting all students in all ages. The lessons are $10 per student per lesson, and each lesson is 30 minutes. So, for example, if you had two daughters who would like to do a semi-private, then that would be a $20 lesson for 30 minutes. And moving forward, if you wanted an hour-long lesson, that would be $20. In the fall, we have private lessons, which is a little different than what you're used to in the spring. In the spring, we normally do choreography, or they're learning a solo or a routine, and they're expected to perform that routine in the recital. In the fall, private lessons will consist of the first lesson being a skills test. So I'll check on what skills they remember and their technique and their vocabulary. And from there, moving forward, I'll have a few minutes to sit down with you and your dancer and discuss, from my professional opinion, what the lesson should consist of. But we are welcome to work on making their own routine or choreography if that's kind of the fun route to go, and that routine would not be used for anything in particular, just for their own experience. Otherwise, we could work on individual skills, really focusing in on technique. This would be a more intense version of what they're already experiencing in class. We could do stretching, and we also have the option of exploring other dance styles. Moving forward, the private lesson schedule. As always, we have our Mommy and Me class, Level A and Level B. Then we do have Sugar Plum Fairy practice, which will start the same week as when private lessons start. And then we have a private lesson scheduled for 12:30 and 1 p.m. Now, if I have 4 families that are interested in these private lessons, that would mean the dancers involved would get a bi-weekly private lesson. As I get more information about who's involved, I will be sending out another announcement about what to expect. And just some closing remarks. If this is something that you and your dancer are interested in, please send me a private message in band. And like I said, I will be in touch within the next 2 weeks about what to expect. Moving on to the Sugar Plum Fairies. We will start practice on October 20th. And the practices will go until December 22nd. And that'll be every Saturday from 12 to 12:30. There will be no practice on November 24th. This is also in line with our dance program, the Calvary Conservatory Dance Program, schedules as well. So we will not have Mommy and Me, Level A, or Level B on November 24th. And then we have rehearsal dates scheduled for December 19th, 4 to 8 p.m., This is a Wednesday. Please take note of the time. It is quite a big chunk of time, and this is just due to the fact that we are following the choir rehearsal schedule, and we need to be there to make sure everything runs smoothly for the performance date. And then we will have a rehearsal on December 22nd. The hope is that rehearsal will take place from 12 to 12:30. But since we are pairing up with the choir and many other parts of the Calvary Conservatory Arts program, we have to be considerate of their time and whatever time they decide to schedule that rehearsal. And then the performance date is December 23rd from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Again, that is another big time chunk to consider. This is a rough estimate at this point in time. I don't know how many church services there will be, but it will not go any later than 12 p.m. on December 23rd. So the requirements is they must be between the ages of 5 and 13. We do have an older age requirement than usual, just because we have a limited amount of practices, and we really have to make sure these girls are focused and ready to learn during this time. So I'm just asking that we choose girls that have typically been in the program for a little bit longer, meaning the 5 to 13-year-olds. The Sugar Plum Fairies can only miss one practice. They must purchase the costume, and they must attend all the rehearsals. So in the past, the costume had been covered by Calvary Baptist, but that will not be the case anymore, and that will fall on your family. And on that note, we will move on to the costumes. This is what the costume will look like, and the prices right now, if they are a child small, medium, or large, or an adult small, they will be $54, and the rest of the adult sizes will be $59. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great week.